Hi again. So you have now gotten the essential knowledge to work with basic tools in Excel. You know how to use things like text to column, you know how to create drop-down lists, you know how to do filtering, you know how to do sorting, and so on and so forth. Now I'm going to take you through the introduction to the exciting and fun parts, and that's the world of Excel formulas. Excel formulas are the backbone of output of Excel workbooks. You are going to find formulas really interesting. They are like lifesavers in Excel, and they just help us to generally work more efficiently and to be able to achieve a whole lot more than just using tools in Excel. So formulas can be simple or complicated. They can be easy or advanced. We can make use of primitive values, or we can use just functions. We're just going to start from formulas that are simple, easy, and use primitive values. Then we are going to work ourselves all the way up to starting to use functions in Excel. So in this module, we are basically just going to cover the foundations of writing formulas in Excel, and we're going to see how to use a couple of aggregate functions in Excel, plus one or two exciting things also to follow.